Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2653, indicates an issue with the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, which is fundamental for regulating oil flow to the rocker arms. In a Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models, the rocker arm oil control solenoid is integrated with the rocker arm oil control valve. Its primary function is to manage the oil pressure within the engine to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. When the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that the rocker arm oil control solenoid's return signal is off while it outputs an on signal, it identifies this as an abnormality, thus triggering the P2653 code. This can lead to poor engine performance or increased emissions. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial to maintaining optimal vehicle performance and ensuring compliance with emission regulations. The DTC P2653 error points to a low voltage issue within the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is essential for the effective management of engine oil flow to the rocker arms and is intricately linked to the rocker arm oil control valve, which is located within the engine assembly. The PCM, responsible for engine management and diagnostics, continuously monitors signals from this solenoid. If the PCM outputs an on signal but receives an off signal back from the solenoid, it interprets this discrepancy as a fault, hence logging the DTC. The solenoid is typically found mounted on the engine and interfaces directly with the PCM to ensure smooth operation of the engine's variable valve timing system, thus highlighting its importance in maintaining engine efficiency and performance. Three primary causes can lead to the DTC P2653 being triggered. First, a failure in the rocker arm oil control valve can disrupt the function of the rocker arm oil control solenoid, preventing it from sending correct signals to the PCM. Secondly, wiring issues such as open or shorted circuits may lead to incorrect voltage being transmitted, which the PCM detects as an anomaly. Lastly, if both the rocker arm oil control valve and the wiring have been inspected and deemed operational, a fault within the PCM itself could be the culprit. This critical component is responsible for interpreting signals from various engine components, and any malfunction here can lead to erroneous codes and potentially impact engine performance. When experiencing issues related to DTC P2653, drivers may notice several symptoms. The most apparent indication is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential problem within the engine management system. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit poor engine performance, which can manifest as unusual noises, lack of power, or rough idling. These symptoms can significantly affect driving comfort and safety. Furthermore, increased emissions may occur due to improper oil flow, which could lead to complications with emission testing. Addressing these symptoms promptly is vital to maintaining the vehicle's functionality and compliance with environmental standards. To initiate troubleshooting for the DTC P2653, the first step involves starting the engine. Once the engine is running, it is crucial to check the rocker arm oil control solenoid return signal. The PCM will output an on signal that has to be confirmed by the return signal from the solenoid. This step aims to establish whether the solenoid is functioning properly and relaying accurate information back to the PCM. If the signal is off while the PCM signal is on, this confirms a discrepancy and suggests potential faults within the solenoid or connected circuitry. The next step in troubleshooting the DTC P2653 involves inspecting the rocker arm oil control valve. This component is integral to the function of the rocker arm oil control solenoid, as it regulates oil flow to the rocker arms. With the rocker arm oil control solenoid connector disconnected, perform an inspection of the internal circuit of the solenoid. At room temperature, the resistance should fall between 13.9 to 16.9 ohms. If the readings deviate from this range, it indicates an abnormality in the rocker arm oil control valve, leading to potential activation of the DTC P2653. After inspecting the rocker arm oil control valve, the next step is to examine the VTS2 wiring for any shorted connections. Before disconnecting the PCM connector, it is vital to jump the SCS service check system line with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and allow a waiting period of more than 1 minute. This allows for the system to stabilize. The PCM connector E, ADP, must also be disconnected for the VTS2 shorted wiring inspection. Under normal conditions, there should be resistance of more than 1 megohm. If the reading is below that, it confirms a short circuit, necessitating further inspection and repairs to the wiring or connectors involved. The final troubleshooting step is to inspect the powertrain control module, PCM, for faults. If both the rocker arm oil control valve and the wiring have been confirmed to be in normal operational condition, then it can be deduced that the PCM itself may be at fault. The PCM regulates various engine functions, interpreting signals from engine components. Any malfunction within it can lead to erroneous readings or codes being triggered. It is important to evaluate whether the PCM is receiving and sending signals correctly. If a malfunction is confirmed, replacing or reprogramming the PCM becomes necessary to resolve the issues associated with DTC P2653. Upon completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P2653, it is critical to clear the DTC codes. This is achieved using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After clearing, the vehicle should be monitored for any reoccurrences of the DTC or related symptoms. It's essential to conduct a test drive to allow the vehicle systems to recalibrate and ensure that no further codes are triggered. Additionally, verifying that the engine runs smoothly without illumination of the check engine light confirms a successful repair. This verification step is crucial to ensure that the vehicle operates efficiently and adheres to performance standards. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues like the DTC P2653 in the future. Regular oil changes help maintain optimal engine function and prevent sludge buildup that can affect the rocker arm oil control solenoid. During routine service, it's beneficial to inspect wiring connections for signs of wear or degradation. Conducting these inspections can preempt significant issues and help maintain the integrity of engine components. Regular maintenance not only promotes overall vehicle health, but also enhances long-term reliability and performance, thus reducing the risk of unexpected repairs. In conclusion, the DTC P2653 serves as an important diagnostic indicator for low-voltage problems in the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. Systematically diagnosing the issue requires inspection of the rocker arm oil control valve, wiring, and potentially the powertrain control module, PCM. By following a structured approach, it is possible to pinpoint the exact cause and rectify the problem effectively. Additionally, preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding recurrence of this issue. Staying proactive with engine care ensures optimal performance and longevity for your Honda CR-V, aligning with both performance standards and driving experience expectations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.